Good morning, people. Scraggles out on a walk, just a little walk and talk. This walk is powered by carbs, some chicken, and just get off your ass and move, right? So I just wanted to talk a little bit about people need to set the days up in the way that you want the goal, right? So at the minute, I think there's a lot of people, we're coming out of the COVID thing and everything's coming back online. But COVID was a real good opportunity, and lockdown was a real good opportunity to decide, well, how do I want my life to be? Okay. So if you've got a goal, and let's be honest, 90% of ladies I work with, it's about fat loss. Like, the question I need to ask you then is, how are you setting up your life, your goals, right? So this is going to be valuable, I hope. So share this if it touches part of your soul. So here's a classic thing that people say: I don't have time to exercise, right? Now let's be honest, you could get a really effective workout in 10-15 minutes, right? If you do it properly, you can get a really, really effective workout. So the question you've got to ask yourself is, well, if I'm really busy, got children, got work, all that stuff, when can I fit it in? Now, here's the easiest time to fit it in, like I'm doing now. Get it done in the morning. Because if you set up your life towards the goals that you want, then things are going to be easier, right? So, another classic. People say, I haven't got time to exercise, I can't get up in the morning and exercise. Well, then the question you want to ask yourself is, what time do you go to bed? And often that's like, it goes a bit quiet then. Like, what time are you going to sleep? So if you can't get up in the morning, what time are you going to bed? Like, I think adults have become kids. It's really weird. So it's like, well, we're adults, so we have to stay up late. But ultimately what it comes down to, if you've got goals, you've got to live according to your goals. And I think people think like they're almost immune to everything else. It's like, well, I can stay up, I can not train and do the bare minimum. But it's something that my coach pulled me up on the other day. He was like, Greg, well, stop doing the minimums. And it hurt for a bit, it stung, but it's the truth, right? If you're going to bed at 10:30, 11, 12 o'clock most nights, then the chances are you're not actually falling asleep for a good half an hour, because everything's racing around in your mind. So then there's no way you can get up in the morning for a workout and feel refreshed and feel lively and ready to work, is there? So people, you've got to set up your life for the result you want. And the sad thing is that ultimately it comes down to not being the average person, because the average person will stay up will stay up and watch TV all night. They won't do things like journaling. They won't do things like reflect on their day. So one of the things, got Ladies in Revolution to do at the minute is, we're just doing a daily reflection on the day. Because if you don't know how your day's gone, you don't know what you need to change for tomorrow, do you? Yeah? So you really got to start thinking about how you set up your day for the goal that you want. And if you're looking for changes in your life, and not just, your physique or whatever, the pills and the potions, they don't do jack. Hey, Rachel. What actually happens is about how you set up things to get the result you want. So I'm going to give you a little challenge, ladies. Tonight, sit down and just go through your day. Go through what you do in a day. Where do your 24 hours of the day go? Block out work, block out sleep, right? And then just look at what you actually do that helps you live the life you want in that remaining time. Now, of course, you're going to have to spend some time with the children, you're going to have to cook, granted, but how much time do you spend just doing shit that really doesn't help you? Yeah? Let me know how you get on. Let me know if this made sense. Right? Cool. I'm going to finish my walk. Got a client soon. Talk soon.